Hello everyone! I'd like to share an interesting recipe for crispy, delicious skillet pizza. Instead of regular dough, I'll be using two types of lavash. The first is with spinach, cut in half. The second is with cheese, also cut in half. This recipe comes together very quickly. I arrange the sheets by color and form them into tubes. I cut them with a knife into thin strips, about 3 to 4 millimeters thick. I want you to admire this beauty with me. I separate the strips and place them in a deep bowl. I crack 2 eggs, using the large ones. I have 2 yolks again. I'm always surprised because this is unusual. You can use 3 or 4 eggs, but you won't get too many. I add half a teaspoon of salt and mix. Subscribe to the channel and like it. Place the sliced lavash in a dry frying pan and fry over medium heat until lightly crispy. Don't forget to stir. I'll add 60 milliliters of olive oil and mix everything together, thoroughly coating each strip. I'll add the egg mixture and press it down with a spatula to coat. Cover for 5 minutes. This is the base for the future pizza. And every time, I hope the bottom doesn't burn. I'll open the tomato paste. I'll need 2 tablespoons. I spread it over the entire surface. I grated 90 grams of cheese on a coarse grater. The next layer is the cheese. I tear 150 grams of mozzarella into pieces by hand. When making this pizza, you can always improvise and add your favorite ingredients or whatever you have on hand. Sausage, tomatoes, peppers, and so on. It's all up to you. Add 150 grams of mushrooms. I use young honey mushrooms. Drain and rinse. I place the mushrooms between the cheeses for a richer flavor. Recover the pan and wait until the mozzarella melts. The pizza is ready. The pizza hasn't stuck and comes off the pan easily. All that's left is to garnish it with some herbs. I used a few spinach leaves for this. The pizza looks so elegant, like a beautiful mushroom patch. The bottom of the pizza is perfectly browned. You'd hear a slight crunch with every bite.
If you liked this video, subscribe to the channel and give it a like. See you next time. Bye!